Data-centric businesses cannot afford to compromise security. However, Chief Information Security Officers around the world face unprecedented challenges. These include lack of strong, reliable, and robust defense mechanisms against an ever-changing threat landscape, a surge in meeting both global and region-specific regulatory compliance requirements, a severe shortage of skilled workforce and an acute talent gap in cybersecurity, and continuous digital transformation while ensuring a highly secure and seamless customer experience. To address these challenges and proactively prevent cyber attacks, CISOs need an MDR solution with sophisticated detection and remediation capabilities. Introducing SISA ProACT, a cloud-based managed detection and response platform that allows you to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber threats quickly and efficiently. What makes SISA ProACT unique? With over 16 years of experience as a leading payment forensic investigator, SISA's ProACT is backed by trusted intelligence and forensic learnings. With an exhaustive use case library and a best-in-class security orchestration and automated response, or SOAR, SISA ProACT shields enterprises from all kinds of attacks while significantly reducing the mean time to respond. That's not all. Customers can access actionable daily threat intel advisories to get deeper insights to secure their digital infrastructure. SISA's MDR service includes dedicated SOC with 24/7 threat hunting, detection, and response delivered by an elite team of forensics experts. Not to forget SISA's Training Institute that offers state-of-the-art training on incident response and containment. With ProACT, organizations can experience true security and better cybersecurity posture without worrying about the challenges the industry is facing today, and CISOs can focus on their business priorities and strategic interests. Reach out to a SISA cyber resilience expert today. Get the forensics-driven advantage. Choose ProACT. Choose true security.